My video guide is about removing the online scam which is related to the website Safeprotect.info. Safeprotect.info is a new malicious website which now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This malicious website, Safeprotect.info, tries to scare people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. The pop-up Safeprotect.info indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. However, all this information is totally faulty. The same message pops up in other browsers in other world locations. So it cannot be true that all these computers are infected with the same number of viruses. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups by safeprotect.info, don't interact with them. You should simply leave this page and stay away from downloading anything that it suggests. I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is crucial because there may be some other hidden malware on your system, so Combo Cleaner will help you in this matter. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin thoroughly researching your system to detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.